I take a stand for Nigeria. We're here for Nigeria. I want us to listen and listen very carefully. Our gathering here today is the beginning of the change that we are crying for. Our gathering here today, for those who don't know, I want you to know, because many don't know. Standing here today is not the same thing as standing in Lagos or Enugu or Bauchi. Is somebody hearing me? Yes. We are standing on what is called ground zero. This is the Unity Fountain. This is the center of Abuja. Yes. Where does the president of Nigeria live? Abuja. Where does the chairman of INEC live? Abuja. It is not a coincidence that you are here. What they want to do, the people who kill us when you travel. This is not planned, but I'm going to use what we talked about, okay? You see, I don't know if some of you saw some of our brothers and sisters who tore their passports. You see the passport they are tearing. Some of them are in London, some of them in America, in Canada, in different places. They are tearing it out of anger, but it's also foolishness. Because there is no country in this world. There is no country in this world that they can ever have. Like Nigeria. So while we feel the pain, if they are tearing their passport, should all of us not run away from Nigeria? Is somebody hearing what I'm saying? Yes. Because if you don't understand, everybody here is going to speak, and I want us to understand. We're not here for Tinubu. Is somebody hearing what I'm saying? Yes. After all, P2B said that the people who are here, that we were doing protests, that is the opposition that failed us. So are we here for P2B? No. Because I want somebody to understand very clearly why we are here and why we are going to be here tomorrow and next tomorrow, and we'll keep it. I want you to know why we are here. When some of our people were coming, they told them that they've cancelled, they were not meeting. Because our meeting here is the most powerful thing that is happening in the world today, as long as Nigeria is concerned. And I want you to know, people were bombed in Kano because of this election. People were shot in Lagos. People were caught. Don't talk about what happened in Rivers. People have been kidnapped as they're talking now because of this election. But this election has produced somebody as a leader, out of blood, out of killing, out of everything. If we don't come out in Abuja, if we are not here, do you know what the world thinks about us? The world is saying that we agree with the killing, we agree with the stealing, we agree with everything that is happening. So they will do everything for us not to come out. So they go, there's a woman that came and dropped some dogs this morning. Remember when those children were doing their answers? Some of those people that came and dropped people, they came and dropped people here, so that as we march, they'll go and light up fire and do things and say we are the ones. I want you to understand that our politicians are all the same. It doesn't matter whether they're in PDP, APC or Labour Party. They are all the same. This is not about PDP. This is not about Labour Party. This is not about APC. It's not about Abuja. It's about the Nigerian people. Justice does not understand Yoruba. He doesn't speak Igbo. Justice is not Hausa. He doesn't understand the PPO. When they kidnap us, do they separate between Fulani and Igbo? No. When the politicians gather to steal money, do they separate between Muslims and Christians? No. But now they want to tell us that those people that are calling Allah, they are evil. Those that are going to church, they are evil. We are woken up. We are waking up. I don't even want anybody to be afraid. Look at all over this place. The police people, they came for us. They are here for us. It is only somebody that is doing something bad that will be hiding.
Yes, the guilty are always afraid. You're guilty.
Anytime, any point you come to Nigeria where people say, don't gather or don't go out, the day you are afraid to come out of your house, that day you are dead.
Yes.
Oh, they have told me. You know the funny thing about us? It's okay for other people's children to die. It's okay for other people's mother to die. Oh, Dr. Mo, don't go. I know many people have told you, don't go. They are going to kill you. Let other people go. That is how selfish we are. Selfishness is in your mother, it's in your father. It is in our blood. That is why when somebody's father steals money, as long as he takes care of you, it is okay. Some of them have won elections. They will not come out here because their future is settled. And many of them are in Labour Party because they've won. They will not come out. Some of them are in PDP because they've won. They will not come out. I want us to wise up. Is somebody here I'm saying? All politicians, wait. Was Peter Obi not in PDP before?
Yes.
From Abuja to what?
PDP.
From PDP to what?
LP.
Tomorrow is to go.
NNPP.
Be careful with politicians. That's the point I'm making. And I'm saying that we are not here for any politician. We are here because
the right thing should be done.
If you say that red means stop and you cross the red, what have you done? It is INEC that collected our over 400 billion.
Che.
Do you know what 1 billion is?
Oh my God.
The day they carry you to Zenith Bank and they open and show you 1 billion, you faint. Is somebody else saying? Yes. So I need you to know why we are here. Before people speak, before we move. And we're good. So that as we are crying, anybody that tries to divide us, anybody that tries to send talks, anybody, for some people, because they are not the one leading, it is not about who is leading. Truth has no position. Justice, equity and fairness has no position.
Exactly.
Some people, by tomorrow now, everybody will come out because they were thinking that as we came here, that they are going to kill us. They should come and kill all of us now. Let me ask you, the people they burnt in Kano, are they more than you? You see, there is something that breaks my heart each time. You know, as we are right now, we don't know who is going to sleep and not wake up. When you slept and woke up, do you know what happened in the night? Anybody can die tomorrow. But sometimes when we think about death, we think it for somebody else, not for ourselves. Because we are all selfish, it's selfishness. And until we break selfishness, we can never move forward as a country. We are here to break tribalism. The same people that go abroad and say, the white people that kill us, you know white people, all the white people abroad, those of our brothers that are telling their this thing, they will deal with them there. The people that kill us, they don't know the difference between South Africans and Nigerians. They don't come when they come, they say, oh, you are Ghanaian, you are Kenyan. No. You know what they look at?
Your color.
The fact that we are black, that's all, our enemy. But the people that try to kill us at home, do you know what they do? They will look at me and look at my brother and say, can you see him? He's a Christian, he's a Muslim, he's your enemy. They divide us along our religion.
And ethnicity.
Allah is as powerful as Jesus. Do you understand what I'm saying? Has anybody died and gone and come back to tell you? Nobody only pass. All religions are perfect. My cousins are all Muslims. When they come to my house, they pray. And we live very happily. This message needs to come to Nigeria so that they can know. Religion is the most beautiful thing that can exist. It has nothing to do with anything. But what they want to do is tell that this person is a Christian, this person is a Muslim. You know another thing they do? They say, you are Yoruba, you. If they take your genealogy now, somebody that is saying his house, you'll be shocked that you're an Igbo man. All of us have been mixed. We are so mixed. Nigeria has over 500 languages. Can you imagine that? Now, before I end my talk so that somebody else will talk, you see religion, you see tribe. They are very big too. Through religion we reach God. Right?
Yes.
But if you turn it around, it becomes the most dangerous tool. Anybody that will use that tool against you is an enemy. And those people on top, they keep doing that. The reason they keep doing that is that, look at all of them, all of them that are coming out for presidency, their children go abroad,
Huh?
but they come and and say we should not come out. For people dying, I want to ask us, did we have an election in 2023? No!
Selection.
Even a selection.
Selection. Nigerians,
It's a position. Exactly, that's what it is.
They impose Agbado on us.
And we are saying, we are out today to say it is not acceptable.
Yes.
We will not accept it. Because if it stands, what will happen is that
Bureaucracy.
you know what we say with the bandits and the terrorists. That is what Nigeria will all become. If we accept the 2023 general election, what are we going to say to terrorists?
Carry on.
Carry on. It means that what they are doing is good.
Yes.
If you're against terrorism, you'll be against 2023 general election. Because that is the highest terrorism that happened. That is why we are here. Listen, lastly, if anybody, whether it's Peter Obi or whether it's Kwankwaso, any of them, if majority of Nigerians vote for them, we will accept it. We don't have any problem with anybody. But to kill somebody and go on top, we will never accept it. We will stand against it today, we will stand against it tomorrow, we will stand against it forever.
Forever.
Because the blood that runs in our veins is red. That blood does not understand language. It does not understand religion.
Yes.
It does not understand religion. Yes. This is why we are here. Yes. Mrs. Obi.
We need justice. We need justice. We need peace. Justice.
Are we pained?
Yes.
Are we pained?
Never.
Are we in pain?
Yes.
Are we in pain?
Yes.
Do we like what happened?
No.
We were asked, was there an election? No election. There was no election. I have only few things to say. Number one, who want to help somebody by force? Who want to help somebody by force?
Nobody.
By force. I go kill you because I won't help you.
No enemy. Only enemy.
I go kill you. I go rape you because I won't help you.
Enemy.
Person when they rape, no they cry. You go cry, you go seek for justice. Now carry us come out. Who said they have raped us and they don't want me to cry. And anybody who don't want me to cry now our enemy.
Yes.
Now our super enemy.
Yes.
The person carry for body.
Yes.
We go see that person, we go avoid them.
That's all. Water.
Our people who made our choice. They say our choice no good. By fire, by force, they go force what we no like to us. We say we no agree now. Doctor said something. When I heard it, when I read it, our brethren, our bros, them went over to Igbo. When they abroad, when they see a passport, when they check their passport. Why? That is not the best thing they can do. What I expect an average Nigerian that is compassionate. What is expected is an average Nigerian that has love for the masses. An average Nigerian that feels the pain that Nigerian people would have been to the street with us to say no to this rape, no to this denial, no to this bad governance. Promise and faith. So we they send a debt. So INEC is owing us. And until they pay us, no rest. Until INEC pay us, no rest. No rest for them. And then make promise. They say make we come out, say our vote go count. We come, we vote. They do what the more you look, the less you see. We are surprised that with all the evidence everywhere, people they killed, people they caught, papers where they don't talk, preach before they carry and they come. With a cry of 25th, 18th come work.
Worst.
Somebody said Nigeria was killed on the 25th and buried on the 18th. Nigeria never died. Hey! We not go agree Nigeria to die under our watch. Yes. Because nobody don't get Nigeria. He get God will get Nigeria. The one will be the final authority. The one where don't do it before we go do it again for us. Anyone where won't put God eyes, he go collect moto. They go collect. We say make them stop killing us. Enough of violence. It is possible we would have done that without killing anybody.
Members.
Whether you be Igbo, whether you be Yoruba, whether you be Hausa, whether na FP, any tribe where you be for Nigeria. Can you imagine in Abia State a Yoruba man won election? In Abia State. No discrimination. Why should a Nigerian be in any part of Nigeria like a stranger? It's not acceptable to us. We say one Nigeria, so we have to live by what we profess, by what we declare. Tomorrow will be greater than today. Tell your brother, tell your grandfather, tell your mother where they for house. Say, let's go out there. Let's go and collect our rights. Let's go and reclaim what belongs to us. They can't put fear in us. They cannot make us afraid. We refuse to be afraid. So let's come out in our numbers. Let's come out in our numbers. Let's do what we have to do until they return our glory. Until they make Nigeria a peaceful nation that we know it for. Until they make Nigeria habitable for us. Thank you.
Stop the violence!
Greatest Nigerian people! Greatest Nigerian people! As we are today, are you happy?
No! No joy! No joy!
As we are here today, are you happy?
No!
My brothers and sisters, fellow Nigerians, let us not allow those who have come to destroy, let them not divide us. INEC collected over 400 billion to conduct elections. Is that fit for purpose? What INEC did, was it right? When you collect 400 billion, you told the people that the IRF will work, there will be automatic transmission.
From the polling units.
From the polling unit, right?
Yes, sir.
What did happen that day? Beavers.
No network. No network. No network.
No network, man. Hi. INEC.
But there was network.
INEC una do
There was
well.
network in lots of fair participants.
INEC una do well. We go agree. You see, just like my brother said, doesn't matter. Listen, it doesn't matter who won the election. If on that day of the election, the results were transparent, you saw who won, we will not be here.
Exactly.
But when they stole the election, and those who stole the election, have you seen them partying?
No.
Now guilty.
Conscience.
Now guilty. Conscience. Guilty conscience, they prick them. They no fit rejoice. Those who won the election are still bribing as if they are campaigning. Because they have not, you see, when, there is something we say in our place. When you take something from small Pekin, you carry your hand up. At some point, when your hand pain you, what you go happen? INEC, would they say, una go carry una hand to do what? INEC, no matter how long it takes, we must not relent.
Yes.
Fellow Nigerians, we must not relent. Yes. I don't want to talk too much, but I'll end on this. As my brother Dr. Mose said, if you cut me open now, I'm an Igbo man. What will come out?
Blood.
If you bring my brother who is a Fulani man, you cut him up, what will come out? Blood. If you get my brother who is Kwari or Yoruba or Benin, what will come out?
The same blood.
The same blood.
Yes.
We are from the same fathers, from the same mothers. So why do we hate ourselves? You know, it breaks my heart that some states in Nigeria, they say this person no go vote because he be Igbo. It hurts me that in some states in Nigeria, they say this person no go vote here. You no go decide what thing they happen here. But when to reach to collect tax, when I go say you go pay tax. Abi? But when to reach to exercise your rights as a Nigerian, you know the one where they break my heart. The Oga of this country, with the INEC chairman, Professor Mahmoud, he go Chatham House. He go for British people. He tell them, say, this election will be free and fair. Nigerian people, is this election free and fair? No. Is this election free and fair? No. Is this the true reflection of whom you voted? No. INEC chairman, I know you are watching us live and direct. Nigerians are saying that we must bequeath our children a better Nigeria than we met it. Yes. Sadly, by what INEC chairman is doing, he has conducted this election worse than the Wuru. Yes. Now so he be. Yes. He has conducted this election more than the Wuru. Yes. Those of you who have calculators, if we divide 400 billion into 200, you don't go reach us to eat food. If now like this, now make Kukuma share the money, and we go appoint somebody, whether that person they win for part or he if we go. But that is in me. We just wasted 400 billion. We go green. No. We go green. No. We go green. No. God bless us, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
We need justice. Yes. We need peace.
I think basically all has been said. Now here's the idea. Somebody feels they have already known our psychology. That when you steal from us, when you cheat us, when you deceive us, that after a while we will get used to it and we will keep quiet. When you increase the price of fuel to 500 one day, we will get used to it and we will keep quiet. But we are here because we are part of those who believe that we will not go and get visas, we will not go and get one-way tickets and leave Nigeria. We will stay here and we will fix it. The faces you see here are the faces you will continue to see until the day you do what is right. Now let me summarize briefly what everybody said and I will yield the mic. Kuna sauraro na? Duk inda kuka ga ɗan Najeriya da talaka da mai kuɗi da mace da namiji domin su muka zo nan wurin ba domin wani ɗan siyasa ba, ba domin wata ƙungiyar siyasa ba, ba domin wani mai kuɗi ba ko wani shugaba. Mun zo domin talakawa, mun zo domin hukumar INEC ta yaudare mu. ta ce za ta yi mana adalci. Mun je mun kada ƙuri'a kuma suna so su cuce mu.
Ta ce amanan mu.
Yawwa, saboda haka taruwan mu a yau kamar yadda na gaya mana ba don wani ɗan ƙungiyar siyasa ba wata ƙungiyar siyasa ba ko wani ɗan siyasa. Mun haɗu ne domin talakawan Najeriya kuma abin da muka tsaya a kai shine abin da muka zaɓa shi za a bamu. Kewayo ba wannan karan dole a gyara mana abin da muka yi a ba mu hakkinmu ba za mu yi kiwuya ba ba za mu ji tsoro ba ba za mu ji shakkan kowa ba ko da ina ka fito ko mai kaga daman yi ka yi saboda an kashe mutane da yawa an ci mutuncin mata wasu sun fita a cikin rana ruwa ya dake su sun je sun yi zaɓe. And we are saying we will not be deceived. We are saying we will not be manipulated. We are saying we will not be intimidated. We are saying we want justice. The only precursor for peace is justice. When you deny the masses of justice, you will know no peace until the day you give them justice. And that is what we are asking for. So now, Gode, thank you so much, and let's be orderly even as we continue.
We need justice.
Yes.
We need justice.
We need justice. We need justice.
One straight line, please. Is the one in front. We need justice. Yes. We need justice. Austin. Austin, we are fighting for a new Nigeria. We are not selfish. We are fighting for a new Nigeria. Enough is enough. Remember, water run away. Water run away, my heart. When I remember, water run away. Water run away, my heart. 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 Water run away, do the right thing. Water run away, me ayo. Water run away, my heart. Water run away, me ayo. Water run away, my heart. Water run away, me ayo. Water run away, my heart. Water run away, water run away, my heart. Water run away, water run away, my heart. Water run away, my heart. Water run away, my heart. Run away, my heart. Water run away, my heart. Water run away, my heart.
That's the central.
Okay. water run away my eye. Aye, aye, water run away my eye. Aye, aye, water run away my eye. Aye, aye, water run away my eye. Water run away my eye. Aye, aye, water run away my eye. We have prayed. Aye, aye, water run away my eye. Now we are coming to ask for what belongs to us. Aye, aye, water run away my eye. The crowd is crying. Aye, aye, water run away my eye. Can maintain only 2 minutes. Come, guy, please go back. Don't do this. Nigerian youths are marching down to INEC office to demand for Muhammad Buhari should do something about this. One man cannot give us a president. People looking at one man cannot give us a president.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna say.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity. Hey. On it. Solidarity forever. We must always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. for nonsense election. We are saying no.
Good afternoon. Hello? How you doing? Come and call you. That man will come down on Sunday evening. Mark call back as why they not very noise. Where's Anek office? Is he here? Anek office. Where Anek office there? Anek office.
I will pass it like this, like this.
Walk out on our way. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Is it a cripple man? It's crippled. It's not crippled though. It's pretending. Make it up now. Pass. Pass quick. No, better pass quick now.
I'm confident in him. Just say no. Just say no.
Fast. Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
The chairman of INEC has failed Nigerians. We are saying enough is enough. We are saying enough is enough. The chairman of INEC has failed Nigeria. He has failed Nigeria. This is a broken robbery. He has robbed us of our rights. I will not be democracy.
No road now. Where you go now? You have to wait first.
Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Nobody's living here.
Okay, I don't. What video you calling your phone?
We die here. You die here. I sleep here. I sleep here. I die here.
You can do it, but across the road.
You cannot tell me anything.
Across the road, nobody is stopping you to protect your right.
I'm a Nigerian.
Nobody is
The
stopping
chairman is not more Nigerian.
It's across the
It's my fundamental human right. So I express my feelings, and I must do it.
The same go down across the road.
We want an election, a credible election, fair election. No. Do it. Do it. I'm not fine. I'm not fine.
So why is it that you don't
I'm
video?
not
I
going
don't
to stay
understand.
there.
I'm not.
No. I will die here.
Okay.
I will not live here. Call the INEC chairman to come and take me out of here. And I'll go.
One name,
Please, sir.
I'm not going anywhere.
Check
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I will not go anywhere. It's my fundamental right as a citizen of this country. I'm not going anywhere. This man belongs to Nigeria. I'm not going to do that. I said it's a lie.
Avoid it.
I will not leave this place. I'm a Nigerian. You don't have any right to tell me where to stand. This is my country.
So they will say,
I have the right to stand wherever I want to stand. He told me, take my case anywhere. The highest thing that he can kill me. What is what happened?
please. Yeah. Yes. Across. Please. Across.
Wait, see. Let the car come so we can hear you.
On my way.
Sorry.
Before we sing, please, like we mentioned again, please, nobody should cross the bar. No.
Only security people.
Flex. Increase the volume, Flex.
So that your voice will be heard.
Can everybody hear me? Can everybody hear me? All right.
Up.
Climb that stop.
All right. All right. Thank you. Soli. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for. When I remember water run away. When I remember people's failure, water run away my people's failing in Sokoto, people's failing in Lagos. Water run away my no materials in Abuja, no materials in Igbo. When I remember small children voting, water run away my ayo. Water run away my water run away water run away ayo.
Nigerians on the floor will reject
This
us.
is our pride and this is our appeal. We have a message before okay, listen people, just listen. Listen people, are we listening? And everybody hear me? And everybody hear me? We are an indomitable people. We have seen our brothers in Canada, in US, in other places, tearing the passport of Nigeria, the identity of our nation. The thing that unites us as one, being torn because of the rape, because of the indignation, because of the scam, because of everything that has gone wrong with the 2023 general election. Today we are standing here. We're not here for any politician. We're not here for Tinubu. We're not here for Peter Obi. Neither Atiku or Showoro or anybody. Because all the political class are one. They move from PDP to APC, to Labour, to YPP and to different places. We have been very categorical so that everybody can hear our message. Because some people will go to any length to try to ensure that the fight for justice, for equity and fairness does not win in Nigeria. And this is just a preamble because we have a full message. As we await the principal that will come and hear the press briefing for what we are asking. We are stating here very clearly that this is the first of many of our outings beginning from today.
Yes!
Because we are bona fide Nigerians. Because we know that our bond, our blood, the chemicals that run in our vein is Fulani, is Hausa, is Igbo, is Yoruba, is Efik, is Sibira, is Igala, is Profodi, is all the languages are combined. Anybody that stands in the way to divide us using tribe is the enemy of state. Because we also know that we are the most religious people on the face of the earth. It is beautiful that we seek God. And so we are Muslims, we are Christians, we are pagans, we are idol worshippers, we are free thinkers. Anybody that tries to divide us using our beautiful religion, we will stand against that person. And because we understand the power of our constitution, that we are out today, we will not take side with the leadership of Nigeria. Our loyalty is to the Nigerian state. Our loyalty is to the constitution of Nigeria. Our loyalty is to our brothers who are dying. Our loyalty is to the soldiers who are not paid, who are dying in Sambisa. Our loyalty is to the true Nigerian police people who are standing day and night to guard, to ensure that things are done. If you are a policeman who joined them to snatch ballot boxes, shame on you. All the newcomers who join hands to ensure that they snatch ballot boxes, you are old. Shame on you. And all the INEC staff and professors, you are no different from the bandits.
Exactly.
Those who are brought shame. We are here as respectable Nigerians who understand their fundamental rights, who will stand for the equity of our people. Before I give the press briefing and listen to the man from INEC, I want to say to everybody that we are standing today on the roots of the founding fathers of Nigeria. Sir Ahmadu Bello, Nnamdi Azikiwe, Chief Obafemi Awolowo. They were all in their 30s except for Nnamdi, who was just 40. They were total strangers, but they came together as a people because of the salvation of Nigeria. They fought against the foreign bodies and they delivered to us a nation. Today we are standing on that same premise. We don't care the uselessness of INEC. We don't care the uselessness of our leaders who have compromised. We don't care about those politicians who move from party to party to divide us. Any election that is conducted on the people that were burnt in Kano, people that were shot in rivers, people that were caught in Lagos, whatever it produces, that production is useless to us. It is based on that that we are coming to INEC today. We have a message to deliver to you. We have come under the guise of Free Nigeria movement. Young people from every walks of life, different groups of people. And we're here. My name is Dr. Mo, with other people who will know who is here to receive the message from us and will deliver the message. Good morning. We're standing on the center of the universe as long as Nigeria is concerned. We speak to the umpire. Who are you, sir? This is who we are. We need to hear from you before we deliver our message.
Please don't go far now. We are all here now. Media, we should stay back. Let's stay now.
Press, let's move back so that they'll have space, please. So that we can capture their faces. Move back, move back.
Standing where we are standing.
They should face us. They should face us.
Rain is coming. Rain. Heavy rain and wind. Wait now.
Thank you so much. Carrying out your local duty of protesting freely because it's your right.
This guy, what's wrong with him?
We can't hear you.
Keep fighting here.
But where are you going to fight? What beside now?
Everybody that
You have a written message to connect.
Listen, everyone. Just listen.
Start with your name, please.
My name is Dr. Mo. Nursing the bruises of hope. Praise statements are the free Nigerian movement. In collaboration with all youth groups.
Okay, you won't get better shots. You know, I mean, another person gets shot.
Today, we mourn the demise of credibility.
Yes.
The rape of trust. The abuse of will. Today, we stand in ruins of transparency. On the embalming table of inclusion, equity, and accountability. Today, we are voices, toneless, stripped of the music of choice. Today, we are Nigerians broken, calling on INEC to count our votes. On the 25th of February, 2023, Nigerians trooped to the polling units with one mission: to cast their votes and choose their next leader. They qualified for the exercise by participating in the long-year continuous voter registration, which witnessed an unprecedented spike as has never been seen before in any election since 1999. Months later, they returned to collect their permanent voters' cards and went home with a commitment to participate and engage with the process. They claimed the chains of cards, of the chains of apathy was broken, tossed to the belly of oblivion. We were free. We were free to experience the full potential of our Nigerianness. Our binding lines were unbroken. In ideology, they held us together. In trust, they washed us like water. In truth, they kept us alive. We breathe the full breath of what being citizens should be in the progressive secular society. So when the day finally arrived, we had no doubt in our hearts in the portion that always questions. Truth that our votes must count. But nothing could bolster our belief like the assurances by Mr. President Muhammadu Buhari and INEC Chairman Professor Yakubu Mahmood. Recall that a little over a year ago, President Muhammadu Buhari appended a signature to the Electoral Act amended bill in 2022. The fanfare that greeted that amendment can well claim recognition as one of the most colorful in our history due to its unbroken alliances to the Nigerian spirit. That day, on that day, we were neither Igbo, Hausa, nor Yoruba. We were not ethnic, Tiv, or Urubu. No, we were not Bagi, we were not Kanuri, or Ijo. On that day, we were Nigerians full of positive energies of our land.
750.
I hate to announce that today, in the heart of many, all this has gone to waste. You may have seen the video of the diasporans who tore their passports. Some other Nigerians have done same to the fabric of identity because INEC, through Professor Yakub Mahmoud, chose to silence their voice. So I ask, what is the value of democracy? If the process that recruits its leaders consistently lack the credibility. Perhaps the answer is at the International Conference Center where Professor Yakub Mahmoud began, sustained and concluded coalition and declaration of a candidate as winner of the presidential election based on falsehood, contravening the guidelines and the Electoral Act. It is most disturbing that this was done in the full clear of the entire world. Never has our democracy seen a bar in impunity that will cost our country many years of electoral excellence to correct. This was not the electronic transmission he promised to Nigerians and not the world at Chatham House. Professor Yakubu Mahmoud has lied to Nigerians and abused our rights of choice. We passed a vote of no confidence.
No confidence.
We call for his immediate sack.
Yes.
And prosecution.
Yes.
We cannot afford to continue the culture of performance of lawlessness without consequences.
Yes.
We are as strong as our laws and as tall as our institutions. We cannot afford to descend any lower than this. We therefore call on President Muhammadu Buhari, whose commitment to free and fair election is engraved in the legacy of the Electoral Act of 2022, to immediately process and procedure that will bring Nigerians under the control of an interim government, pending the resolution of all litigation permitting to the conduct, pertinent to the conduct of the February 25th presidential election. Our country needs healing.
Yes.
It will be counterproductive to allow a fraudulent process to succeed, as fraud will eternally breed fraud. We cannot grow our democracy on falsehood and suspicion. The holes in our national fabric must be woven and shut. One way is to immediately establish a Truth and Reconciliation Committee in Lagos State and other flashpoints of the voter intimidation and violence during the presidential, National Assembly, governorship, and state National Assembly elections. This will help build trust, confidence, and further ethnic cooperation among Nigerians. Yes. As concerned citizens, we believe that our country is destined for greatness. Yes. And are hopeful that in no distant time, our faith will nudge our dream to reality. This is our prayer, as we must nurse the bruises of hope. For though they force us to precipice, we will not curse our country, nor stand by those who curse it. We will not steal from our country whatever treasures it possesses in dignity. We will hold onto the promise of unity and faith and progress and the boundness that has kept us together in the dreams of our founding fathers reborn.
Yes. Say.
Okay. Yes. First and most importantly, we acknowledge that the Independent National Electoral Council of Nigeria has deceived us. We were deceived as Nigerians into believing we would have a credible election. But we want to stand here to say that in the midst of the rot that rests in that building, we believe there is an atom of honesty. There is something left over. There is a leftover that we can hold on to and get what is right. That is basically what we believe in, and that is why we are here. At the AG abin da yace an yaudare mu, hukumar zaɓe ta yaudare mu, cewa mu je mu yi zaɓe, sai aka zauna a wani ɗaki da ake kira International Conference Center. Aka kago wani sakamakon da mun sani ba abin da muka yi muke nan. Saboda haka akwai wasu a wasu kasashe da sun ce masu sun fitar rai a ƙasar nan, amma mu mun ki mu fita, mun ki mu gudu, za mu zauna a nan kuma za mu buƙaci a yi abin da ya kamata. Saboda haka muna kira ga gwamnati ta ɗauki matakin da ya kamata, muna kira ga hukumar zaɓe ta ɗauki matakin da ya kamata ta yi gyaran abin da aka lalace. So that is our simple prayer, that is our call, that INEC and the government, the little atom of trust that we believe is left in them, should make sure they do what is right and should make sure they correct and right the wrong. We want to register that you have deceived us, you have lied to us, you have made us to believe in what is not true, but we still believe, as we said, that there is an atom of truth left and honesty, love for Nigeria, and that is what we are counting on, and that's why we are here. It is our honest prayer that you will do what is right, and you will do it at the right time.
Ogasi, my wire.
Carry your wire now, they say they shout. Sorry.
Ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ ìdìbò àwọn ààrẹ kò ń ṣe ohun tó tẹ́ àwa ọ̀dọ́ Nàìjíríà lọ́rùn. Gbogbo bí wọ́n ṣe ń jí ìgbìmọ̀ nígbà tí a fẹ́ ṣe ètò ìdìbò, ààrẹ INEC sọ fún wa. Ó ní bó bá ṣe ń dìbò, bó bá ṣe ń dìbò tán, bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ ni wọ́n ṣe máa fi sórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára ìlú bíbà. Wọ́n ní bó bá ṣe fi síbẹ̀, gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà ni ó mọ̀ rí, gbogbo ojú ni ó rí wípé ohun tó ṣe ohun tó tọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n ó wá jẹ́ ìyàlẹ́nu, ó jẹ́ ohun tó dùn ní gbọ́jọ́ nígbà tí a rí wípé
all the placards inside the truck, please. Onyezi, all of them, all the placards, please.
You were here. Thank you, man. Man, your man. About it. You know, not from me.
Yes, that time I was
I was streaming, so I couldn't answer.
Nigeria are the only place when the referees of the match they corrupt, they say they no go, they go live.
That's so. So guys, we are going to continue tomorrow. On this note, I sign out.